With just 4 plants, I'm going to teach you how to win Plants vs Zombies Last Stand minigame. Let's go! The trick here is to choose these 4 plants. The first one is a fume shroom. The second is a gloom shroom. The third is a coffee bean. And last but not least is a garlic. Then, for the remaining slots, choose any plant that you want. Don't worry, we're not going to use them, so you can choose anything that you like. Alright. Now, to start, place your garlic next to the pool. I like to put 2. And that's just because if the first one gets eaten, there's another one right behind it. Then, I would put fume shrooms all the way to the garlic. And I'd do the same at the bottom too. Now, fume shrooms only shoot in one direction forward, and so if you put the gloom shroom on top of it, it will shoot all around. That's what we want to do. Put the gloom shroom on all of those fume shrooms. Now you can see all of them are asleep, so we'll put some coffee beans on them to wake them up. And that's it, you're set up and ready to go. Now if any of your plants are eaten, then just replace them at the end of each of the flag rounds. Alright, let's start. You can see the zombies are now all moving into the other lanes, and that's really what the garlic is there for. It's to move them up to the topmost or the bottommost lane. Pick up any coins if you see them. Okay, that's first flag done. We've got 4 more to go. Now as you can see, my garlic here is looking a little rough. Looks like it's been eaten a little bit, so I'm going to just grab it off and I'm going to put some new garlic and we can continue. Alright, that's 2 flags down. 3 more to go. Now let's see how my garlic's looking. I think I might get some new garlic and place them. So let's do that. And let's continue. Awesome! 3 flags down! Alright, let's replace our garlic. Some new ones. Let's keep going! Four flags down! Just got 1 more to go now. Let's replenish our garlic. Get rid of the ones that have been bitten. Put some new ones down. And final round, let's go! And that's it! We did it! We got all 5 flags. That's how you win Plants vs Zombies Last Stand game with just 4 plants. Well done! See you then!